do you all fancy doing after we've eaten our pancakes?
We could go to the park. The duck.
Good idea, Peppa. Or we could go for a ride on Grandpa Pig's train.
Yes. Train. And finally all my friends.
Or we could take a trip in Miss Rabbit's helicopter.
Yay! Helicopter ride.
Peppa loves helicopter rides.
Or we could go to Grandad Dog's garage and drive the little cars.
Beep, beep, beep.
George, what would you like to do in the park?
George, they don't have dinosaurs in the park.
Well, actually, they do have dinosaurs in the park. And you can even ride them.
Wow.
But before we do any of that, we have to make pancakes.
Oh, yes, the pancakes. I'm getting quite hungry.
So am I. Will my pancake be black?
No, Peppa. Your pancake will be flat and round like everybody else's.